everyone. This is Mr. Mac. I'm just going to go ahead and do a quick walk through this B-2 assignment here for 100 points. What you'll be doing is you'll be clicking spreadshirt.com, link there. And from there, you're going to go ahead and start designing now. Okay? So when you get to spreadshirt.com, I just want you to upload your crazy graphic, and you can continue and upload and design other things afterwards if you want. But for 100 points, you'll be taking a screenshot of a t-shirt uploaded. So that's kind of similar to it like that. If I click the shirt, I can change the colors of the shirt. If I uploaded a better resolution graphic, I could probably stretch it a little bit and spin it and do what I want, customize it a little bit, right? They've got different products, hoodies, hats, text you can put up, other things. And of course, when you click upload, you will have to confirm that it is your own original content. And then you'd click upload, go find it and upload it. So I just want to let you know that's the steps to upload it. And the only reason this graphic has some nice edging to it is because I double clicked it, and then it opens up the nice different edgings that you can use. There's a circular, right? Complicated. It's kind of neat. Crayon, kind of neat. So I just want to let you know that you can customize a little, and go ahead and please put a different edge on your graphic there. Of course, in this case, I would probably go up to this. I happen to be on, I think, a Chromebook here or something. So I'm just going to go ahead and then I'd, take a quick snapshot of it like that, right? And then I'd be able to post it up on the discussion board forum. Thanks. This is Mr. Mac. I just wanted to walk through that assignment with you.